Is Windows Calculator missing, corrupted, or still not working after trying other fixes? Reinstalling the app can replace damaged files and restore it to a clean, working state. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to reinstall Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. You'll begin by checking whether Calculator is already installed. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps on Windows 11 or Apps and Features on Windows 10. Find Calculator, open its options, and select Uninstall if that option is available. Follow the prompts to remove the app. After uninstalling Calculator, launch the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. This is where you'll download a fresh copy of the application. Search for Windows Calculator or Microsoft Calculator, then select the official app published by Microsoft. Click Install or Get, and wait for the download and installation to finish. Once installation is complete, click Open or Launch Calculator from the Start menu. The app should now start with its default settings and all core features restored. To avoid future problems, open the Library section in the Microsoft Store and regularly check for updates. Keeping Calculator and Windows up to date helps improve stability, security, and performance. And that's how to reinstall Windows Calculator in 2026. A fresh installation is one of the most effective ways to fix missing files, corrupted installations, and persistent app issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.